Hey everyone, this is Lucy and today we will be learning how to make Facebook account completely private. To do that, open your Facebook app. At the top right, you will find this horizontal lines. Click on that and again click on the gear icon. Here, you will enter settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and click on how people can find you and contact you under audience and visibility. So click on that. What you want to do is limit everything here. So if there is like everyone and other option is friends of friends, click on select the friends of friends, only me or friends only. So after you're done here, go back and click on post. So here you want to make sure that you have your post hidden. So here who can see your post, change it to only me and save it. Again, limit passports. You can just ignore this, and here you will find allow comments, summaries on your post, allow visual search on your post. Just disable those. Now here what you need to do is you need to make sure you have your profile locked as well. So click on profile locking and lock your profile from here. So go back and click on your profile. Go to these three dots and click on view as. This feature allows you to view your profile from the public perspective. This is how my profile looks to a stranger. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.